collection of stars is called galaxy. It doesn't make a team. Everybody will be trying to shine or outshine the other. Whenever you build an organization that everyone is trying to outdo the other one, you will not have success within that. That's why when Jesus was using the kingdom, he was using, illustrations of the kingdom. He didn't say the kingdom is a collection of stars. He said the kingdom is like what? A net. A net is always made of strands of thread and if you have this as your net, then there is no strand of this net that can claim to be alone or doing the work alone. Do you understand what I'm saying? You cannot claim to be alone or do the work alone or achieving any goal alone. So the benefit of developing a team or belonging to a team is that you join together to accomplish a purpose. Whereas galaxies of stars, they are trying to shine individually, outshine each other.